What up? What up? What up? Good morning. Shit. Did a break even so far. I took another SPX, but dude, it's kind of looking choppy. Oh. Yeah, 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 yeah. Shit. It better fucking go up. On, go up. Okay, so resistance. What the fuck is this fuckery? Good morning, guys. How you doing? Happy Tuesday. Looks like we're a little bit chopped, so have to be patient. How's everybody doing? How's everybody's Thanksgiving break? Good morning. Good morning. Jay Powell on his way out. How do we know that? Has it been confirmed? Has it been confirmed? SPY is looking choppy. SPY is looking choppy, my guy. Very hard to trade. See it. My God, this is nasty. This is nasty. Ooh. Yeah. Mm-hmm. It's locked. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Right. I just, yeah. Fix it. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. 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 Still in that selling channel. I think I wanted to rest at 681.13, but we'll see. Smart guy. We haven't finished the challenge yet. We have not, guys. We haven't finished the challenge yet. Everybody have a good Thanksgiving break. Yeah, the 1 minute's chopped, bro. I've already lost like 600. I'm like, I gotta now actually take a real setup.
I'm trying to see if I'm not missing anything here.
It's just chop. People are waiting on Powell. I don't know.
What time? There's nothing on the calendar today. When is he supposed to speak?
I don't know. I don't know when Powell's supposed to speak. Thanksgiving was good. Ate too much. Ate good. You have turkey, roast beef, ham.
At ham.
I didn't think Powell was speaking, just other chairmen.
Buys look good, but let's see what ES looks like. That's gonna be the S&P
I
500 for
mean,
you guys if you guys are looking at that.
SPY literally has to break 682. But we'll see.
I mean, you guys can see this on the bookmap with me if you're looking at the screen. Buyers are here. Some buyers are bringing this up.
Yeah.
What do you think, Flattered, the newest funded trader?
Where's that soundboard?
Oh, please no. Oh
Flattered
no, never mind. He's not in
soundboard.
here.
Where's Flattered soundboard? Where is he? Oh, not that.
Oh yeah. Okay, well, I mean, as far as like ES, I'm looking for longs if only if for ES if you can get it close above that line.
Mm.
Yeah, this is choppy, but
Really choppy with that guy. I mean, even in futures, it wasn't so
ES is trying
smooth.
to push right now, so we could see it. But because of what this looks like, I don't
Alright,
trade
let's
ES,
see.
so I don't know how much this is going to be
That
as far as risk. But that's where I would want my low to be. So I don't
So
know
pretty
ES. I
much
don't trade it.
we need to break 683.99, and I
Okay,
think we're gonna get
look at
that.
this. It's already breaking. So I need to see closure, and then I'll see about an entry.
Yeah.
I don't trade ES, so I don't know how much my risk would be. But it looks better than NQ as far as I could tell.
Yeah, let's see if it gets rejected off that level though, off that candle. That big purple line.
Let me see. So far, it's looking good. Look at this. It's pushing. Did I miss it? Did we miss it?
It's about to break it. It's about to break it. 682.99.
As far as
682.99.
targets,
Broke it. Broke it. Broke it. Broke it. Broke it. All right, guys. Now we're back in business. We are
as
back in
as
business.
far as targets, that's the best possible picture would be. What is that? 6,950. Let's see. Or right here. I think it's more realistic here. Right there.
Okay.
Okay.
It come back down a little bit though. We did break that order block.
Yeah. $2 minutes till close, and then I'll see. Then I'll see about an entry here. Or unless it just goes straight to TP, I guess.
Yeah, let's see.
And then NQ is breaking out too. Oh shit. Oh my goodness.
Look at a couple things.
Wow, that's crazy. It's basically a 50-point jump on NQ.
That's nice.
Okay.
All right, since we broke the order block, we are going to take a starter position. Option.
Damn, this thing wants to push.
Yeah. Let me just share my screen real quick. There we go.
Yeah, and then
Just so the
if you're
members
trading
know.
options, go to Kubes' screen, cause I'm on futures. Cause I know Archie got confused there. Okay, we got a closure. Okay, let's see. Give me a little bit more of a pullback.
All right, guys, we're gonna hop into SPX 6865 calls. 6865 calls. I gotta type this up. Shit, some of the fucking mods are in here. My fill price was 375. We are filled in.
Damn, did I just miss it, bro? That little wick was not enough for me to.
We can push up to 685. So let's see.
Yeah.
So let's see. Good. Let me know if you guys are in. Let me know if you guys are in. Let me know if you guys are in. A little bit fun here.
Okay, literally just because I feel like I'm. Nah.
Gotta stay patient on. Broke a major order block. 375 was my fill.
Okay, I'm in. Okay, let's see what this. Oh shit. Oh, that's only 78
Push
bucks.
up,
I have more
baby.
room to. I have more room to enter.
We broke a major order block. Let's
'Kay.
see.
Okay, I'm in full position.
Yes, or options?
Yes, yes.
Yes, you're in. All right, let me hop in with you then. TP on ES is going to be 74. 74.
Yo,
What up? What up? What up?
what
We're
up?
Spy. We're in SPX Falls. Need now a nice push up. So let's see.
TP on ES, you can go break even at 68.54. That's where I'm gonna go break even. You can go break even or take profit there, take partials.
Go push up, baby. Push up. We're back to break even. I really need a God green light candle now. So let's get it. Let's get it.
So
Let
far,
me
so
know if you
good.
guys are in that SPX call out. Let me know if you're in that SPX call out. If you're trading futures, you should be up money. You should be up at least 2 minis.
Which SPX? What are you
Oh
talking
my
about?
God, bro. I fucking type everything in. Come on. Come on. Push it up. Push it up, baby. Push it up. You should be up money. If you're trading futures. If you're trading options, we're at break even. So we need a nice fucking push up. You're going to push up, baby. I'll tell you when the TP is. I'll tell you when TP is. Let me know how many cons you guys are in for. Broke that order block. Better push up.
Okay, let's not dump 1,000 points again.
Oh shit. You have the 20 EMA here. We're above VWAP. Job, Archie. Hell's going on?
What the fuck? As long as we're still in this and respecting this order block here, I'm fine.
Yeah. Book map saying
Buyers are still there. shit. I gotta do it all over again. This is why. Nah, I mean, who knows? It could be, but this is New York. A little pullback. Let's see if it holds. Buyers are stepping back in.
Buyers are stepping back in.
This one's uppies. Let's see if they can get it. We got some size at 68.58. Somebody wants you to go higher on ES here. 900 at that level. It's a lot. A 1,000 at 68.61. If you guys are seeing this here, they got pulled and got moved higher. Sheesh. A 1,000 at 68.61 still. He's going up and down.
nice push up. Need that nice push up, damn it. Okay, now break 683.25 and we're clear. We break 683.25 and we're fucking clear, boys. Let me know in the trading chat if you're in the goddamn trade. Let me know in the trading chat if you are in the trade. We just need to break this level. Bonds will fly. That volume to kick in.
Yeah. We got a lot of size at above.
How's that book map looking?
Orders just got pulled, but there was 1,000 at 68.61. See what NQ's doing.
Let's go. Push it up. 5 levels is going to be crucial.
I mean, if you're trading futures too, I mean, if put in this low right here, would it be a bad idea if you want to manage it? If you want to be a little bit more on the secure side, you can put your stop loss at this low that it put in. It's a valid area to do that, but now you're just kind of, you know, tightening up your risk.
Drop past 683.33.
Where's flattered? Flattered. No way he got funded. It just disappeared. The McDonald's chart. Yeah. There's still size above. I mean, it's there. So let's see. Let's see it do its thing.
We gotta play that pump it up music soon.
Yeah, so still broke
To
off. This is
it
this
up.
is what I see as a support. This is an order block that formed. So you can see that it's these
Yep.
three red candles that went down, and then in two candles it
Mm-hmm.
pumped up. That to me says that that's a valid area, and of course that's you can see where it's supporting itself. It could still fail.
Oh,
Don't
we
get me
just need a
wrong,
break.
but technically
Yeah,
speaking,
we need a break.
this is what I
688,
look for when I take my setups.
Mm-hmm.
And so that's why you want your stop loss at the low of this, because look at what it did. It went right into it, and you don't want to be in a too tight of a stop loss and get stopped out at that. You want to give it the room to kind of do its thing, and then you could see it move up. So that's why you don't want to go too heavy, because if this stop loss like puts your whole account at risk, then that's not where you want to be. If I
Volume
knew
is
this was gonna
fast.
happen, this would have been my perfect entry right here. If I knew that's what would happen.
Volume is fast. We need to break up, for God's sakes.
That's why I was saying that as long as it's respecting this box, I'm chilling. That I did my analysis. That's my setup. I taken it. If stop loss hits, then I'm wrong. That's simply that.
Push up. Not want to push up. Low key, this is kind of choppy.
Yeah, it's trying. Bitcoin is up 4.7%.
Archie. Oh man, Archie's funny.
Archie, I think you might want to look into SPY instead of SPX.
This is job.
Just the dollar value. I mean, yeah.
Bouncing up.
But yeah, that's yeah, you lost $100. That's crazy. Yeah, this thing. Stop loss hit. Take me out now. Coobs, you there?
I was talking. I was
One
talking the
single.
whole time. I was talking the whole time. I was trying to explain something.
Yeah, I mean, no way this just
That's
takes us
stop
out.
loss
And then
hit.
now it just wants to hit. Yeah, right now it's too soon to tell. I mean, this is a mean ass sell candle, so.
I
I
don't
have
know what
no
the
idea.
dude.
I mean,
This is bullshit. It fucking broke that order block. Like what the hell? That was a major resistance. It. Damn it.
damn, I hope you took those puts, Santra. Or going to open? No way, it just pumps all the way back up. Oh. Classic, classic, classic. There's still a 6860, so who knows how long it's going to take for us to get up there. But for now, we got duped.
I duped big time.
I mean, the
Buns up
SL is
now.
completely up to you, bro. That's up to you. I mean, I pointed out that where you could have moved it up. Yeah. So the SL's nobody else's responsibility but yours.
I mean, yeah, it broke that order block. I don't.
Coos
Yeah,
will hold
no,
my hand. Oh, I don't know
sto-
then.
I stopped out. I stopped out. I got out of the trade, but dude, it literally broke that big resistance. It should have pushed up to 685. That is complete horse shit. Me, my stop is pretty much negative 20, 25%.
Yeah, when I did options, mine was 30%.
I'm gonna feed. Yo, what up? What up? What up? My bad. I'm back now.
Yo,
How'd you guys do?
I got stopped out.
Ah, shit.
You got your breakfast
We got
in.
stopped out. No, I just had to. I just had to have some stuff for my kids.
Order filled.
Oh, hey. I got that breakfast in though.
Yeah.
All right. Let me cook, baby.
Cook.
Cooking. We're burning in hell right now. Fuck.
Okay, well, I mean, the daily open is where I would possibly see for another entry or continuation.
Yo, whoever took those Intel calls with me, we are fucking cooking right now. Holy shit, man. Intel's up fucking 7% on the day already.
7%? That's nuts.
Bro, it's wild, bro. Wild. I think the cons got the cons at like 1.18. Bro, they're at 249 right now. Holy shit.
Okay, what do you guys think? We go lower? What do you think, chat?
You got at 677.
It needs to break. It's bouncing off crazy support right now. Spy specifically came down to 680.83, touched it, fucking rejected super hard. I wouldn't be surprised if saw a bounce right now, actually.
Yeah, I mean, I'm seeing this. The same setup we just saw right now, but on the 1 minute. So I want to see it close above here. If we get that, I'm in. That'll be my second try.
For longs.
Yeah. I mean, I'm only risking my profit, so if this fails, then I'll just break even for the day.
Yeah.
But the same identical setup here. Let me see. There. You guys see it? So if this closes above, we're chilling.
That looks like it wants to.
What's up?
Wants to head lower.
It could be. The 15 is leaving behind a nasty wick.
Fuck, man. Item inputs look kind of nice.
IWM skis?
Yeah. Yeah. Wasn't even watching it. Problem is, I don't like that rejection level at 245.55. It's got some crazy support. It's good. Could catch a scalp. I think we're gonna come down though.
Yeah, it's not breaking it. We could for sure
If
go.
Spy support at 680.83 gives out, oh, we are tanking, 100%.
What level do you say? 680. What? 33?
680.83. If we see
Yep.
that,
You're
break,
right.
we're gonna tank. Next level, we can target a 679.
680.83.
Yeah, 680.83 is a level on Spy.
Oh yeah.
If we break that, we're going down. As for IWM, IWM looks like it's gonna fucking go down right now. I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a tank, like we saw a.
Okay, a little small little order block here. I mean,
Yeah.
50 seconds. I need to see a closure before I even try it.
We were even if we were to look for another trade, Spy would need to reclaim 682.22 and hold. What a fucking push, dude! Hey,
Yeah, that's
hey,
a
when you see shit like this, man, hey, the market is trying to manipulate you.
I know.
Right? Just fucking, hey, this kind of chop, like it doesn't look like it looks like decent kind of like price action, but it's actually like manipulating chop. Like if you look at it overview, like kind of like outwards, it looks like it still looks like chop.
Oh my goodness.
It's just moving within a big range, and it's almost not worth taking.
Yeah,
It's
it,
kind of
it ran
scary.
it, it ran way higher than I expected it to. So it's like, nah, I don't want to get in. Because if it
Yeah,
fails,
like these candles are fucking crazy. Like I mean, moving like dollar candle, dollar plus candles off no news is
okay, check this out. If this inverse is here, I'm going in. Right here. I am gonna go in.
You're going longs.
If the 5 minute inverse is not yet, I'm just watching now. Close matters
Yeah,
to me.
if it holds, look at that shit. Just reclaimed it like it was fucking nothing.
Yeah, I know.
That's nuts, dude. That's crazy.
Are
Look at
you
this shit
fucking
go,
kidding me?
bro.
Fucking kidding me? We're doing with this fucking bullshit.
This happened to Coombs yesterday too. It's just so annoying.
What the fuck is this
Fucking
shit? Oh my fucking god, dude. Are you fucking kidding me?
Yeah, I mean,
yo.
we are right back to
Yo,
entry of the
Phil
original
is
trade I was
still
in.
going.
Dude, we are right back to no, I'm not doing this shit. No. No, 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 dude.
That shit is
This has
crazy.
fucked with my mental health so bad.
Yeah, that's a nasty candle.
You
That is a
held,
nasty-
bro. You are still in this.
I'm supposed to be in this. Yep. I mean, I think he had a better fill, didn't he? It
I
looked like
think
he had a way better fill than you guys.
I think he
Like,
did.
Damn, dude, those cons are pretty much back to break even.
I think his
Wow, those cons
fill
are
was
back to break
fill
even
was like
now.
under $3. There you go. Yeah, 255, bro. You had a beautiful fill. Beautiful
Wow.
fill.
Wow, 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 wow.
Okay,
Look at this fucking this little
Oh
grim
my god,
out of this
dude.
hole, dude.
okay. Well, I don't want this to
Sticking
push too high up. I want to get a good entry still. So slow down right here. Yes.
Are you fucking
Yeah, dude, that's
dude?
crazy,
Oh my
man.
god, that's crazy.
Anyway, back to what I was saying earlier. This is why you want room. Exactly why you want room for it to play. Stonk, I think what you meant to ask earlier is to have wider stops.
Yeah, and Stonk, you're saying that we always get into high, bro. You can't get into trade unless it sets up. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? Like if you're gonna hop into trade while it's at its low, you're basically gambling, bro. You're gambling that it's gonna reject up. But what happens if it goes down and it
Yeah.
just keeps going down? You know what I mean? Like that's why we have these setups to tell us like, yeah, you know, if it breaks levels, then it's gonna initiate. There's momentum. There's justification behind the trade. That it's gonna keep pushing up and enough for us that there's nice risk to reward for us to make money. Um, you know, it's not necessarily we're always trying to get at the high. It's just it sets up nicely to where it should push up even more. You know, and
Plus, it
uh,
broke that order block. There was that big resistance, and it broke it.
yeah, I mean, there's
Yeah.
gonna be times where you know we can get in the low, you know, when it pushes down so far that we can get a rejection and we can play the opposite side. But that is gambling, you know what I mean? Like you're basically taking a 50-50 chance that it's gonna do that. Um, so
Yeah, it's definitely high risk
when
for
we're taking
breakouts.
these kind of trades, man, we're strategically placing, you know, our levels to hopefully get into a higher probability trade that will make money.
I'm in this, by the way.
You're in longs.
Yeah, I got in at the close.
How many
Four,
micros you on?
4 micros.
Look at and you, cool.
Oh, I would have much rather preferred NQ. Let's see.
Damn, dude, we're back up. That is some
look at
horse
that.
shit right there.
Dude,
Horse shit.
what a fucking candle! That's crazy. Yo, Intel is cooking. Holy shit. My God, bro. Yo, these contracts about to pay so nice, dude. I'm about to sell.
Dude, I can't believe
Yo, if you guys
freaking
are in
broke held.
Oh, that pisses me off.
Yeah, it's annoying. Yeah, the 5-minute inverse, the way I usually look for. So, let's see.
Damn, that jumped up. Oh my God, dude. Trading between this range 83 to 60.
Yo, watch. I'm telling you, bro. Those metas they're gonna fucking print, dude. Watch.
Oh my goodness, look at this bitch push. Come on. You nasty.
God,
Dude, that recovery's so annoying, bro.
dude, what? That's insane, bro.
Oh
Yo,
my god.
like that is actually fucking crazy. Talk about support rejection.
Yeah.
Holy shit. That's fucking nuts, dude. Yo,
Look at this
yo,
shit. Look, it literally bounced off the 15-minute ORB.
yo, and if you're in Nvidia and And Amazon, bro, you guys, I mean, that's over 200. That's Amazon's up $300 a con, and Nvidia's up almost $250 a con. So, if you need to take profit, go ahead, take profit, man. Good shit. Fucking printing. It's actually insane. Don't worry, man. They got time. They got time. Santa Rally, baby. Santa Rally. Who remembers last year's Santa Rally? That shit was
Yeah, I heard that's a
crazy.
real thing.
Dude, it was fucking nuts, bro. Like fucking straight up nuts, dude. I remember like I was walking out. Where was I? I was at Vegas, Christmas time, and I was walking out. I was in my hotel room, and I was about to go down. Right, I got into this IWM trade, dude.
Order filled.
And this shit.
Order filled.
And this shit fucking what the fuck was that? Order filled.
Oh, you hit your TP? I had to be TP.
Oh, it did. That's crazy, yo.
Let's go.
I was in Vegas and like I hopped in this IWM train and then I got a call to go downstairs to help unload the car, and so I went downstairs, and then I get back upstairs and my fucking train's up fucking 14,500, bro.
Oh my god, bro.
Like what the fuck? That shit was crazy, yo. I was like, oh shit.
Yeah, that shit was wild.
Literally get on the elevator, walk down. You know, I was probably gone for like 20 minutes, bro. 20 minutes, dude, and I fucking almost made 15. I made 15 grand. That shit was crazy.
That's fucking nuts, bro. Yeah, I want to catch something like that for sure. You know, I'm still
God,
within
it's
my
still
first
going.
year doing
Oh.
futures.
Yo, we are ripping.
Broke hit his first TP. Sheesh.
Damn. Yo. Hey, how much of those SPX calls at now, dude? Oh my god, bro.
Okay, well, look, guys, everybody. I wasn't wrong. I was just early.
They're not even. They're pretty much at your break even right now. Because data popped it out. Yo, this is where it actually might reject off right here.
Yeah. It's a hourly high that I figured
Actually,
is
right
the highest we could possibly go. Hourly high.
Yeah, this is a scary level. If you're an SPX, I would 100% look to get out here. I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a solid rejection. There's a lot of resistance above this in this area right here.
I'm gonna go break even on my trade here.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I got into some shorts right at the top. I saw that rejection level. I was like, all right, and then I fucking boom, $500, bam, out, peace.
I need a little. I need a little bit more of a push at least. Give me that.
Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, crazy right here. I think we're gonna probably check down to unless it just holds. Let's see.
Well, I mean, if we never got stopped out, we would have been up on that first trade.
All right, Joe. I gotta head out of here. I gotta go drop my kids.
All right, man.
Good
Catch you
luck,
later.
y'all.
Yeah. Once this is
Peace.
done, I'm out too.
If you guys are still on, then I'll hop back on. But I gotta pick up some stuff.
All right, man. Sounds good.
I'll see you guys. All right, peace.
All right. See you. Coobs, you there? Coobs. Well, we talked about that size way up here, over 1,000 cons, but they got pulled, but they're still being spread out and stuff up here. 300, 300. So we got more room to go, but let's see. Because that size doesn't necessarily mean we're gonna go straight there. I mean, you guys literally just saw what happened. We went down, and then now it's on its way back up. Yeah, hell yeah. FIFA, what do you got? A 50K or what? Nice. Yeah, it's a good way to work it, you know, have that as a backup. You never know, man. I mean, things happen. I mean, that's why I love these combines or trading futures on props because, you know, shit like that. Like we just all saw shit like this. Let's see. Okay, well, I want this to take, I want to take this high right there. If we can get that, then that's chilling. Probably gonna trail my stop loss at this right here. Or should I just let this run? think I might just let it run. You never know. I mean, so because you so Archie, just because you are, I believe this is going to be your first time, looking into prop firms, but I would suggest paying for the ones that does have the activation fee, because the no activation is a little bit more. But the point is that you're learning, so get the cheaper one. And yeah, so the 50K, you get $2,000 in drawdown, so that means that you get a 50K account, but you cannot lose $2,000. The 100K, you get 3,000, and the 150K, you get 4,500 drawdown. So that just means
Sorry,
that you cannot lose more than
I had
that.
to restart my computer.
Oh, it's all good. Oh shit! What was that? Look at this.
That is the biggest bullshit ever that I've witnessed.
What is going on here?
That's 683.33.
On the book map, you can see a tape bomb just hit the freaking book. It just hit the tape.
Sellers coming in.
Yeah, the tape bomb just hit. Still in it, baby.
Which are you up?
120.
Hmm?
120.
Nice.
I mean, yeah, Billy, you could have been on your shorts, but look at the recovery here, so you would have been upset. This is exactly why you can't just jump on every single move, because you would have been kicking and screaming right now. Yeah, I mean, you could make a lot of money, like if you caught all these ranges. Definitely, still ways to
It
make
is.
money, but like for me, I'm holding through all this, so it's like that's my way of trading. But if you want to be in and out, yeah, you could have cut a nice little drop, but you got to be on point for that kind of drop, because it just recovered pretty much as fast as it made that move down. And now we're going back up. And I respected this Fair Valley gap because I'm still in this. Still in it, baby.
Did Hefe leave?
Yeah, he did. He had to go.
I got the 50. Just go to a medium, but Hefe did kid stuff. Oh man, I said I would hit the TP at 685.
So it
Heading
put in
there.
this low right here. So now that's where I'm moving my stop loss. Right here. New low. That's where my stop is going.
I was just gonna be chopping out the top, and it wants to either break out or come back all the way down.
if it take this and it just so happens to like push even higher, I'm moving my stop loss at TP. Look at it go. I'm trailing now. No, never mind. I'm keeping it right here because I don't want to get stopped.
Yeah, it's
Oof. Nice.
dude.
TP
We
hit
just
and posted
have
profits,
gone.
bro.
My last TP just hit, and my idea was right. Take that on that order block.
It's all good, bro. Hey, honestly, bro, you should not be upset at all. You survived all of that. You survived that. You should be happy.
Sure.
Oh, it was so close. Yeah, so I was up almost $800 on the day, but I took a loss with this first trade. So I'm only making back some profits if this hits. But I'm still green on the day.
You guys short? Haha, motherfuckers. We didn't short, bro.
Yeah, it doesn't want that high. It's all good. I'm out, fully out. It keeps doing this, so I wouldn't doubt a sell-off later on today somewhere. It keeps doing this. It keeps going up, and then one single candle, it keeps doing this bullshit here. So whatever resistance is there, yeah, whatever resistance is there is definitely doing its job. But then look at this, man. It just, the recovery is like, bro. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, this is kind of fucked.
Yeah, the 15 minute is a nasty rejection now. Wait, did NQ sweep it? Oh yeah. Bruh. Let's look at gold. Let's see what gold is doing.
What's gold doing?
Okay, let's go. Oh my goodness.
Holy shit!
The
Gold
daily is
dunked.
holy moly.
We long gold here.
Oh, I don't know. No, it looks pretty heavy at yeah, it looks pretty heavy. I mean, if the 5 minute, just like how we've been looking at, if gold inverses this, which it doesn't look too promising at all, but if it does, I wouldn't be opposed to trying longs on gold.
End up on SPY. They're so nasty. The wick up, the wick down. Ah, what a nasty day.
Yeah, that's if it so happens to do that, then yeah, I'll try it. Same thing. Same exact setup. The inversion with the order block right there. And that's what that will look like if we get the
It's
close.
gonna come down to where we were.
If we get the close. So yeah, that's what gold, but it doesn't look too promising. I mean, who was it that was talking about shorts? You could have gone short, but you would have, you would have had to stomach that right there because it went down and went all the way back up to a little bit higher. So if your stop loss was good, you would have been eating right now. You would have been up. So if you can stomach that, then you're chilling. Dude, I don't ever play shorts, bro, but like this is looking like it wants to go down. I mean, obviously, but like that if I can get it close there, I mean, I guess I could go for it.
We're just playing this range, man.
Yeah. What are you looking at? ES or NQ?
Yes.
Ooh.
Oh my god, this is nasty. My top set. Wait, my top set. Why? Oh my god, I feel so disgusted after that loss. Oh, I want to close out the challenge. Long gold right now, Ninja. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, the CVD flip red, so sellers are in control.
Dude, this is a range type of day. This is the fuckery. Damn.
Yeah, look at
Take
that.
it on our way back to the top. If we lose, I think the members are gonna kill me.
Look at that.
Kill me.
That's what we're trading.
I'm out. Today isn't worth the risk for me. Take care, guys. Adios, FIFA King. I don't blame you, to be honest.
Yeah, I'm out too. Gold? Actually, hold up. Before I go,
looks like a
Dude.
decent. entry.
Yeah, it's
Ooh.
moving, but you got to get out of the 30-second. You keep saying it's ripping, but it only moved what? 3 points. That is not a rip.
$900 on gold, 19 micros long, Ninja ripping. It's a range type of day for sure.
Yeah.
Type of day. Type of day.
Yeah, if we fell VWAP, we're going lower. If you're a pattern trader, you got your double toppy.
We're below VWAP and we're below the 20 EMA, way below it.
Sellers are in control now. Or could this just completely recover again?
I think for it to dump, it needs to break 680.85 because there's a big order block right there. But everything is green.
Yeah, I mean, today is the day that there is no news, so it could be doing that. Could be. Every other day this week, there's news.
Expanding range, it's sweeping liquidity, hitting stop losses from top and bottom. SPY should go up tomorrow and Thursday if the job report is wouldn't it go down if the job report is bad?
Okay. Call me crazy, but I think I want a long NQ here. Not yet, though. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet.
I really want to go into calls again. Changing like this, but this type of fuckery, I don't know.
Yeah, it's not yet. I want to see. I want it to be clear, but it's just an idea. Don't. Yeah, it's just an idea because we swept this right here, and now
Mhm.
it's holding, manipulated lower, and let's see what it does here. If it creates the structure I want to see, we could potentially catch that back up, at least to the top of the range. But the setup has to be there. Yeah, it's wants to go lower. Gold. So it's just like I was saying earlier, if we can get the inverse on this 5 minute. So if you've been watching how I wait for these, I want a candle closure above. Since I found it on the 5 minute, I want a 5 minute candle closure. Since I'm finding it. So this, yeah. So look, it was going for it, but now it's rejecting. So it's not looking promising, like I was saying. I mean, okay, look. The hour, everything looks bearish. It does. But can we catch a reversal? Maybe. Am I willing to try? Yes, if we can get this 5 minute inversion. But we got to let it set up. And gold, there's not much movement even on the book map either. But yeah, that's what I'm looking for here. Near 1 hour support. Yeah, I agree with you. And that's how that's a good catch. Right there. So it's a valid trade idea. But yeah, that's what I want to see with gold. And then also too with gold, I just want you to keep in mind that if we do get it, we run the possibility of if it coming back down to sweep this, to sweep that. Yeah, it's a good trade idea, but if we decide to fail, we might come down to sweep this and then make its way back up. Literally, the best possible way I can explain this to you is exactly what we just dealt with this morning. We entered, then it got swept, then it recovered, right? We entered here. This was the first initial leg. We came back down to sweep this, recovered. So keep that in mind that we could see that. So it's a game of possibility. So we just got to position ourselves the best way we can. Yeah, just keep that in mind. Your input skis. Nice. Yeah, your shorts are paying. Yeah, I was gonna get off, but gold looks like it wants to give that opportunity, and if it does, I'll go in too. I'll go in on it, and this will be my last trade if I can get it. Because I gotta get ready for the day.
Long and gold.
Yeah, it looks like it wants to set up for sure.
SPY just wants to keep.
Ooh, the 30-minute looks. That looks. Oh god, that looks freaking nasty. Okay, so here on SPY, ES, I mean, there's a possibility here. Lower high. No, sorry. Higher low, higher low, higher low. Is it going to put in a higher low here? Or are we going to continue lower? Because here, lower high, higher high right here. Bam. Yeah, I mean, no doubt. I mean, yeah, it does look nasty. I'm not disagreeing with you there. It looks nasty, but who knows? Who knows what could happen? But this is how I just approach it. Just watch it and just think about different possibilities. But yeah, there's no doubt about this shit just going down. No doubt at all. No, yeah, do your own thing, man. I mean, it's working out for you really well right now. Puts. Yeah, I think we got some equal lows right here too. So yeah, I could see it grabbing this. I'm just talking out loud, thinking out loud. A little push from buyers. Let's see if they can. Nah. Yeah, on the book map, you saw that they try to push it up, but then you see this hot level. Seller stepped in. It got pulled now, so it's. No, it's not bad, dude. Great. That's a W still. You managed your trade perfectly. Big dubs. Okay, let's see about the gold, dude. I'm more interested in gold right now. Let's see if we can get that. Yeah, that wick's annoying. That's why I don't do shorts, because of that right there. It pumps, takes me out, and then now it wants to come back down. Yeah, it's going for these lows, equal lows. Sheesh. Flatter, get the fuck out of here, bro. I swear, you pop out of the shadows. Oh my goodness. Okay, look at this. Look at that. Okay, here we go. Now we got to see a candle closure is what I need. $27 seconds. Coobs, you there? Okay, well, the only thing I'm noticing though is I don't like my risk. Okay, I'm in 3. I'm in 3 gold longs. I don't like my risk all the way down there, so I'll probably put it down here to this low right there. And this is my last trade. Whatever happens, happens here. There we go, there we go. Oh, baby. This is gold longs. Following the same setup I've been talking about all morning. Inversion. And we entered. Same setup, different time of day, different day. Same setup, always. Win or lose, same setup. And then my TP would be the VWAP because when it reaches VWAP, it always proves to be a strong level for gold. Let's see what all the commotion is with NQ with flattered here. Oh shit. Yeah. Is this the higher low that I was talking about? Is it? The higher low. Okay, in 30 seconds, if NQ inverses this, it would not be a bad idea. Right there.
Can I take a shot here at SPY calls?
There it is. Same thing. You know, we're seeing this on gold, seeing it on NQ now. If you were on the 1 minute right here, look, you could have caught this. I wasn't looking at all, but right here, same exact thing. Inversion right there. Boom.
I take SPY call 681.
Yeah, it's not a bad idea.
124 is my fill. Stop loss is at 0.90 cents. Let's see. All right, I'm back into SPY calls. Let's see if we can recover this.
Yeah, the 1 minute looks, I mean, the 1 minute and then the 5 minute looks like it's going to do it.
Let me know if you guys are in SPY calls. Taking another shot at this.
We're at VWAP for NQ. Yeah, 0 days are always risky.
There we go. Everything is typed in for you guys, so let's see it. I need that push. Let's go. Let me know if you guys are in. We're at $1.32.
Gold is pushing. Weakest, you in this? The book map, it just popped a little. Weakest. I know you're there, bro. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Honestly, dude, I wish I could have went full position. Oh, the way this is looking right now.
Gold's pushing.
Shoulda, coulda, woulda. It's all good. We're up. It wouldn't be a bad idea at this point to kind of de-risk here and go to the bottom of that inversion. Manage your risk here, however you see fit. So now I'm only risking 200 bucks.
That push up for SPY. It's a fake pump.
Bro, you were just talking about long in NQ, and now you're short.
On SPY, push up. Give me something, man.
Because I'm retarded. Mm.
I don't have my screen up for you guys. Up. Getio. Everything is just been a fuckery today. Push up SPY. Come on. That's what doesn't these people.
Yeah.
6 on the downtrend, we should be good. I hope so, bro. 2 losses in a row live. Like, fuck me. I don't know what more I can do. Oh. It's not my day today. Today's not my day. Pump up for the life of me. On. You got a better fill. That's. Let me know if you guys are in this trade, by the way. Let me know if you're in the trade. Let me know if you guys are in the trade. They were. I get to break buck 15-minute ORB. Let's see. I hope it's not a fake reversal. Go long, Ninja. I am long. I am long. I've been long right now, bro. Need a W for these cats. I want Theta to eat me. I can get to 682. That'd be dope. 682. That would be dope. Then this bullshit.
Damn, I gotta get ready soon here.
52. We gonna get it or no?
Looks like it really wants to.
What does the chat think? Literally edging us. It's down to, of course, a minute. Bro, dude, I'm so sorry, man. I'm not calling the calls at the top. I just, okay. Come on, break up. Break up. Give us something. Give us some life.
Buyers here on the book map
Give
here
us
on the
something to
left are
roid rage
stepping
about.
in on my screen.
Give us something to roid rage about. I wanted to get in this downtrend channel, and I hope it doesn't, because if it does, we're going all the way to 78 right here. We're in calls. I believe in the calls. I believe in it. I believe. Push up. God's sakes. Let this volume fucking kick in. There we go. Let me know if you guys are in the trade chat. Let me know if you guys are in the trade. I'm trying to keep the stop loss very tight for you guys. You know, first trade, honestly, it did break that resistance level, and we totally got fucked by it. got fucked by it. But if you guys are in this, hopefully we'll get something out of it. Let me know if you're in. Type in the chat if you are in the trade or not. But yeah, we're not down. We're not down that much. We're not down that much. So we're not down. We're not down that much. But I really do need this volume to kick in. No volume. The trade is no bueno, ladies and gentlemen. If you are in the trade, though, type in the comments below. Like I said, the first trade, we did break that major resistance order block. It should have pushed up. We completely got fucked on it. Went back down. Then it reversed on us. So let's see. I'm trying to get in early to the party, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Let's see. In at the same fill. What was your fill price? Let me know what your fill price was. Be chopping like this is gonna be a major issue. Just chop, just chop, just chop.
Yeah, it's looking pretty similar.
It's chop, man. Chop. It's chopped.
Yeah,
I don't understand why. I think he's trying to do the same as gold.
I'm looking at the book map here on NQ, and then I have my trade pulled up for gold.
Can you check ES if there's any sellers or buyers, so I can see if I'm seeing the same thing as you?
You got 2,000 buyers, but there's hot levels above and below, so someone's keeping it here.
That's where that chop is coming on. Push up. Keep rejecting off this line, and this we don't want to push up above the 15-minute ORB. This is complete bullshit. This trade should have gone a long time ago, ladies and gentlemen, long time ago. Long time ago. You know, the way I trade, I like to trade momentum. I'm a momentum trader. I don't like to be in the trade for that long. But we're down 6%. 5%. Push it up for the life of me. Okay, give us some life. Give us some life.
Here we go. NQ is pushing up.
Here we go. Okay. We're back to break even, chat. We're back to break even. We're back to break even. We're up 1%, chat. Congratulations. We're up 1%. You can kiss 100%'s goodbye. But hey, we are in the green. Trying to make up for the losses today.
Let's go, 1%.
Hey, come on, pump it up, pump it up. We literally need to get above that level, and I think we will. Maybe we were a little bit early to the party. Still wasn't maybe the greatest. But I think we could see a pump. Now we really have this resistance level at 681.24. If you want to mark that on your art, 681.24. It's gonna reject off it. The trade maybe no bueno. It's very early. Want the swings that have this everything. Need to break the 50 I'm sorry, need to break. I don't understand what that means. Need to break. What I means.
Yo, 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 yo.
Will you fucking pump up for the life of me? I'm so sick of this shit. Come on.
Are we in something right now?
Gold.
We're in spy call 681 and we're in gold longs. But you know, I don't know, man. I'm kind of fed up with it, to be honest. Your spy, you're trapped under the 50 EMA. Okay, I'm trapped. Well, I don't like to be trapped, that's for sure. The only thing I want to be trapped is with a hot girl. But I don't want to be trapped in a spy call. I get the fuck out. About fuckery. Yeah. About fuck.
Can I get a sleep? Thank you.
For spy, the 1 minute chart, the thicker blue line. Yeah, I use a 20 EMA, so 2 L's in a row. No bueno. L's in a row.
Come on, gold. Here we go. We got some buyers kicking in.
Are buyers kicking in for ES?
Let me check.
Jeez, for the love of God.
You still got buyers there. I mean,
Where the fuck are they? They're not showing up.
they're still here.
Where the fuck are they?
Buyers are still in control, but they're just not getting rewarded.
All right, guys, we are officially eating salad today.
Ramen
Today,
today.
you guys are eating dinner. Today, you guys are going to have salad for dinner because we do not deserve to be eating steaks. This
Okay,
is what I'm
gold,
going to
here we
do for
go.
you guys.
Gold
Okay?
is looking nasty right now. Come on, baby. In a good way, by the way. Is anybody else in this gold long other than me and Weakest?
I'm in it. I'm in it.
Oh, let's go.
I'm
Look
in
at
it.
it push.
I'm in it. I'm in it. I'm in it. Okay, we are down, chat, 6%. We're at $1.15. Our fill price was at $1.23. Man, I was
know,
about
dude.
to add more on the dip. Why didn't you?
I was
Why didn't
tempted
you?
to
You
do
got
it too, to be honest. Oh, baby, look at this push.
Oh, gold. Oh, now we cooking something.
Nope,
Cooking something
steaks-
now. If
steaks
Spy
for
would just light the
breakfast.
fire under its ass so we could get going here, because I got to get to work. I got a real job that I got to go to.
Steak at
Got a real
Wendy's.
job, ladies and gentlemen. I got a real job that I got to go to. All right, buck 23. Hey guys, we are at back to break even now. If the pump doesn't happen, we're gonna say salamu alaikum and we're heading off. That's it. The party's over. Entertainment is over. Shame on you. Shame on you. Oh, we're up 3%.
There we go.
Buck 27. Come on. If you're in the spy calls, let me know. Let me know if you're in the spy calls with me. If you are on the spy calls with me, let me know. We're at a $1.30. $1.30 finally. 5%. We can't even get 10%. You guys want to get the hell out of the trade because you saw the chop. You can get out at break even, or you can make a couple dollars. Go get yourself some gum.
Push up, Habibi.
Habibi can't do it. One Habibi can't do it. Right, we're
Buyers
at a
wanna
buck
sell.
31. Can we actually get to a buck 40? We're above the 15-minute RB and let it push, baby. Let it push. Damn, Theta ate us. Okay, guys, we're officially at 9%. We're officially at 9%. You want to fully get out of the fucking trade, get the fuck out. I completely get it. You know, today has not been my day. So yeah. If you want to get out of the trade, be the green, you know, we'll call it quits. You can do that now. I'm gonna actually put in the chat on.
Gold put in this low right here, so I'm moving my stop loss to that low on the 5-minute. So now this trade is just risking $99.
All right, back to break even. I'm getting the hell out. Getting the hell out. Not dealing with this. Not make any money on that. Nothing. 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 All right, guys, I'm out of the trade. I hate this chop. No, I don't want to take another L, so I'm completely out. I got out. I did not like the scandal. This is chop. Past 2 combines, failed 1. Congratulations. I'm completely out of the trade, guys. I don't like the way SPY's heading, to be honest. This is not worth our time. Volume is shit. But hey, if you're staying in it, congratulations, because I got out and watch it pump now. It was an L day for sure off that first trade. We didn't even make up. For the second. Sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I'm actually sorry. Feel bad. Oh. I want a free meal at your restaurant for the first trade coops. Hey man, bring you and your Syrian wife. We'll cook something for you. Do you want it salt-based style? What do you want me to feed you the steak too? Put the salt on your meat if you want.
Okay, we got the candle closure on gold here, so it's looking real good. No funny business.
Yes, have a little man cut the steak for me. Well, tonight I'm gonna be having dinner. Tonight I'm invited. What's his name, dude? This is so bad. The fuck that my brain is. Oh, I'm invited to Brian's house for dinner today. His wife called me, invited me over. I think there's gonna be a couple players there today, so we'll see. We'll see. I don't want to bring my Viking sign kind of things. YouTube, I want a free meal. Yes, you have. A little man cut the steak for me. Let's see what you sent me, Art. Oh, that guy. I've seen that guy. Anyways, guys, I gotta head out. I will see you guys Asia session if you are trading futures. I hope you guys got out of this trade. This is not worth your time. This chop fuckery right here. Nah, we're not making on this. Anyways, I'll catch you guys later.
All right, man.
Peace.
See ya. I at least want to go break even on this. I want this high to be swept, and then I'll go break even. do you guys think, guys? Should we get in some NQ longs? Nah, it's resisted. Let's see. Come on, gold. Yeah, I trade on Top Step X. I like it. I like Top Step X just because you can set up here on the settings. You can risk yourself, so you could hit a profit target, and then you type that number in. You can put liquidate or liquidate and block, or you can choose a set amount that you want to lose in a day, so you don't tilt. So you could put, like, let's just say $200, and I put it in, liquidate and block, and it locks me out. Because, you know, I still fall victim to that, you know, tilting and messing up. But, you know, your trade limit, how many trades minimum you want to take. So I can put this to 2. After 2 trades, I'm locked out completely. So on a 2K account, what I would normally do is I will trade like 5 micros is what I'll do. Yeah, it's okay. So today is not the best example, but you can do a lot with 3 micros, 4 micros. Today is not. I mean, just think about it. Just think about what this move here. If we all saw the same thing and we wanted to catch this short from up here to there, that's more than enough with 3 micros. That's a lot. No, yeah, more than a lot, especially in gold. But like again, today is not the best example. But on a day like volatility, those 2 to 3 micros, you would be surprised how fast out those 3 little micros can, you know, lose your account. But as far as like risk managing and kind of like, you know, just being okay with like, just being okay, like if, you know, if you take your trade and it becomes a loser, I think to me personally, that was like more important to me because, you know, I break it down on what I look for, what I want, the closures I want. And with all that said, why would I be upset if stop loss hits? The only thing I can control is how much I'm risking. And if I were you, I would get a practice account with Top Step X. You can get it on their website. And before you enter a real trade, go on the practice account, see what that trade entry would look like. And if you set your stop loss to, like, let's just say like this entry, I said earlier, I didn't want my stop loss to be way down here. That's a lot. That's a lot for just this. So I would rather have it at this low, is where we first started, but then I moved it up here. Go into the practice account, enter a trade, and just drag your stop loss. See what that would be, because you wanna be in the right size. You don't want to go and overdo it, because then that could just ruin your whole account. And for the sake of this, 3 micros was enough for me, and I'm fine. So if this loses, I'm still green on the day. If this is a loser, and that's fine. I'm not ruining the account. I think that's the biggest W you can have here. Is just don't lose the account. Placed an order on what? Oh yeah, order filter and something. Go to the right if you can look. You should see a closed position here. Just press that. Just press that and get out of whatever you're in. Oh yeah, ES. Yeah, that's a whole mini. That's a big boy contract. Honestly, Billy, dude, it's, you know, like again, follow your setup. You know, break it down why you're entering, and if you lose the account, dude, I mean, it's fine. I mean, like I said earlier, bro, like, dude, we were right on this. Look at this ES trade. We entered here, and look at what it did. I mean, that's just part of the game. It literally happens. Yeah, oversizing with tight stops is just asking for pain, bro. That's why I said, like, find out what your risk, and, you know, if you're okay losing $200 with like 2 micros, you could have took this whole move to the gin and made its way back up. Size down whenever your stop loss have to be wide. But yeah, today was a perfect example of us, we were on point, but like we had to deal with this bullshit here. In the end, by the time we got up here, by the time we got there, stop loss would have been at break even. So yeah, it ended up going down, but we wouldn't deal with any red. And that's the managing part to it. And like for this, technically speaking, the way I manage my stop losses is when it puts in a new low, that's where I move my stop loss to. Because if it goes from here all the way down here, that's completely invalidating. You can see it as a market structure shift, and then it can go lower. So that's the point where I think it's invalidating it. So that's why my stop loss is moving up. So like, for instance, if we sweep this high, that's my break-even point. So at that point, as soon as it sweeps it, it almost did, stop loss is going now break-even. So if it does fail like terribly, like ES did, I'm fine. I'm break-even. I'm chill. Why would I be upset if I'm following literally my plan? And all 3 trades had this one thing. All 3 trades today had this one rectangle. The fair value gap down, the displacement back up, inversed, entry. All of them had it. That's my strat. I'm a reversal trader. This is what I look for. Yeah, the obvious trend was like, we're dumping pretty hard, and we could have, but when I was thinking out loud, I told somebody about a higher low, which it could still go down, but as far as like my strategy, catching reversals, this is what I look for. Matter of fact, I'm looking at the wrong ticker. That's why I didn't see the higher low. But the bottom line is, prop firms are great, so you can learn this stuff. You do it. I was getting my ass kicked with options. So we got killers here. There's no doubt we got killers here. But like, for me only, prop firms help me understand all this without risking real.
My guy giving out the free sauce right now, bro.
Bro, I'm breaking it all down, bro.
Take advantage, guys. Take advantage.
But it's literally a process, guys. It is. Yeah, man. I mean, like, again, like, the setup has been there. At least we took 3 trades. The first one failed. The second one, we made back some losses. And this is the third one here on gold. Same setup. And it's working out. So it's 2 for 3. And all we did was manage our risk. So look, 3 losses. No, 2 losses. No, sorry. 1 loss, that 1 winner. We're still green on the day. If this fails, I'm still green. That's the risk management part to it. And like, this right here, they put in a new low, but obviously I don't want to put it there because then I'll put myself at risk of just getting stopped out. Like, so I'm not touching it. Oh wait, where's my break-even spot? If I could even get it, I'm gonna have to redo it. So yeah, sweep of that high on break even, and then at that point it's completely risk free, and I gotta go get ready for work.
You got an event today?
No, with my family, driving.
Okay,
Yeah.
gotcha.
I think I have one event later on this month, but majority of this month I'm just chilling. I still need to edit and shit, but NQ, what to do? I mean, I did, but I got stopped. Oh no, I didn't. No, that was earlier. That was for ES earlier. But yeah, look at this. Damn, bro. Look at that push. I know. Where's Coops? Coops left, and now it's pushing up.
Oh my god.
Dude, you'll be Don't tell him about this. You'll be so upset. Don't tell him it's pushing. Oh my gosh. Yeah, keep these promises to yourself. Don't tell Coops. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. I'm just joking. Yeah, with futures, you don't deal with any theta. So you could have been, let's see, with futures, you can go through all this, and you don't deal with theta. It's just a matter of when it gets to your TP. Yeah, today's just been weird. But NQ's pushing, bro. Fuck. Oh my god, bro. Oh my goodness. Look, the inversion right there. I just didn't take an entry. Inversion. Your stop loss right there, you would have been perfectly fine. See, I mean, I'm more so just pointing out that the inversion was there to validate an entry signal for me. And look. Yeah, bro. If I entered the 5 minute, look, bearish
Yo,
fair
this could
value.
set up. This could set up for another rejection
Yeah,
reversal on the top side.
up here, yeah. Yeah, for sure. No, yeah, that would for sure be a spot to, just be hesitant. I mean, and go maybe a short for sure. But look, guys, Billy. Okay, look. So bearish fair value, it inverse right here. My entry at the close above the inversion, right there. Stop loss at the low, below the inversion, and look, you can literally see we didn't deal with that much drawdown, and look at it push. Almost 100 points. That's a lot. That's a lot. With the right size, that's over $1,000 in futures. Yep, exactly. Right here at the retest. And then the VWAP was there for retest confirmation. Oh, well. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Okay, look. Break even point hit. Break even on gold officially. Then gold TP would be VWAP. That's where I want my TP. No, yeah, I mean, there's always entries. I mean, just look at this, bro. We saw the setup here on gold. We took it. We took our eyes off of NQ, and sure enough, that's exactly what it did too. Sure enough. Nice, 45%. Nice. Futures is a lot more volatile. Some people like the more so the volatility, but with options, you can buy one contract and when it hits zero, that's it. But with futures, if you have a $2,000 drawdown with one micro, you can lose the entire account. And a lot of people don't know that.
It's the same volatility, bro. It's basically following QQQ SPY,
Yeah.
all that stuff. It's. There's nothing changing about the charts. It's just the way it trades, like no data whatsoever, and
Exactly. And then I know, and that's a good point too to bring up to Archie, because I know he said the other day that he was looking at my chart and completely missed a move. And that's something to note. NQ is correlated to QQQ. ES is correlated to SPY. So like, if just keep that in mind in case you are looking at my chart on accident or you want to look at this, but you can correlate it together. Because there are, I know there's a trader out there that they chart everything on ES, but they only trade SPX. That's how they do it. $100, bro. That's awesome, man. A micro is let me see if I can get the numbers right, but it's 1/100th of one mini. But a mini is 1/10. Here, let me see, of a NASDAQ contract. Let me see. Let me get the right numbers. I don't want to, but for sure, micros is the way to go to, take it more steadier and just not risking your whole account with one trade. Okay, here we go. It's micros. Actually, I got it flipped. It's 1/10 the size of a standard E-mini contract. A mini is a lot, but I know there's players out there like Not a Girl who's been trading minis. I trade micros, and I know there's some people that trade minis here too. I just haven't heard from them really.
10 micros is one mini.
Yeah. 10 micros is equivalent to one mini, but the only reason why I like micros is because if you are risking 10 micros, that's one mini, on the way up or way down, whatever you're playing, you can secure profits. So it's very similar to securing your partials. But with one mini, if you play one mini, you can't do that. So you just get out of the position entirely. You're missing everything else. So like here at my break even, I could have taken one partial, one micro, and let the rest ride. But yeah, Archie, I think you should spend some time on that prop firm, dude. And I'm not saying stop options. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying spend some time, get familiar with structure, at least support resistance. Yes, right now you're in an evaluation part, so everything you trade now doesn't count until you get into a funded stage. You have to make 3,000 to pass a 50K, and there's a 50% consistency, and you have to make $1,500 in a day, and that's it. And then the next day you make another 1,500 and you pass. And then there's if you pay the standard, there's a activation fee, and then after that, everything else from that point on Every trade you take counts. Yeah, just like Ahafe said, there could be a rejection here again. And I could see it too. I mean, just like I was talking about order blocks, this right here, the 2 green candles, could be an order block holding it down. But we'll see. So far, NQ's been doing some nasty ass stuff. Yeah, man. Okay, and this is another point too, especially with that. Like, somebody else said it, but oversizing with tight stop losses, and then this happens. This is why you should size down for a wider stop so you can breathe a little more. But I think, if I'm being honest with you, I think that's a little bit easier said than done, because with futures, I can easily do that. I don't know about options. That is not a question for me about sizing and stop losses.
It's harder with options because you can't technically set stop and take profit
Yeah.
at the same time with options. Unless your broker allows it, but with Robinhood, you can't.
Oh, okay. Yeah, see, I didn't know that. So that's, yeah.
Yeah. I'm not sure about Webull or Interactive Brokers or Thinkorswim, but typically with Robinhood, you can't. You can step one, you can set a stop loss, and then cancel that and take profit, or you gotta set a limit order to sell for profit. You can have those.
All right, guys, but my gold trade is risk free. My stop loss is at break even. So if this fails, I'm not losing anything on this. I have to get ready for work. So I'm gonna leave this up, but I won't be here. I will not. Yeah, I won't be at my screen. So I'm gonna let this play out.
Peace.